As you see on the screen, when doing the provincial incorporation from Alberta, you will pay $248.48, and I'll show you exact scenario and step-by-step process on how it is done. You will see a simple and intuitive way to complete the incorporation process in less than 20 minutes. And this is numbered incorporation. I want to be completely transparent with you. This video is not sponsored by Ownr and they did not pay me to make this video. However, I do have a referral link in the description and I have also pinned this in the comment section. When you click the referral link, you will land on this page where you can see this message and it says get 15% of your incorporation automatically at the time of checkout. This discount will apply if you complete the sign up within 30 days of clicking the link. When you go directly to Ownr website without the referral link, this message does not appear because it takes you to a different page which you can see here. So if you plan to use Ownr anyway, using the referral link ensures that the discount is automatically applied during checkout. If you came through the referral link, the discount will automatically appear here. You can see the promo discount reflected in the final price along with the message that says, if you receive the code from an affiliate, the person referred, you may receive a reward. And that's me. If for some reason the promo code is not applied, which is rare, you can reach out to me and I will try to get this resolved with Ownr, as I have done this with few other people who experience this issue. Now, let me take you through the process step by step. Once you click on the link and you come to this page, click here, select Alberta as the province, click next and select incorporation. Here, instead of named, select numbered and click next. Here you will create an account and you can see here join over the number of Canadian businesses on Ownr, and you will go ahead and fill your information, name, email, password, confirm password, and then sign up. This is going to be a numbered incorporation. This is how you will see this hash will get replaced by a number when you have the registration, and then followed by Alberta Inc. It starts with the account information, contact detail, phone number, address, and I am a Canadian resident. This has been selected. Once you hover on question mark, you can read more detail and click next. Here, company detail, my company will be a provincial Canadian corporation based in Alberta. Address, my company will operate in. Here it shows technology, internet and services. From this drop down, choose the closest industry in your case. Once that is done, I have kept the fiscal year as December and clicking next. Here, for the name confirmation, since it is a numbered, it will come to you with a number Alberta Inc. Next. Here, agent for service, I have kept my name, and that's why when I click next, company ownership shows as myself. And here, once I click next, you will see all these director offices, everything will automatically get populated from the owner side, as share and share classes will be 100% in my name. So let me show this to you. Click next. It's directly getting me to the choose your subscription plan. And when I go to shares, you can see voting 100% ownership. This is what I was telling. So once we click next, here choose your subscription plan comes up. There are two plans, basic and pro, and you can go through this. I am selecting basic plan and then going ahead with the verification of one of the government approved ID. Once that is done, you see this billing information, and here the entire breakdown is given. Also, you can see the promo discount and it shows discount has been applied, and total what you will end up paying is $248.48, and this is for the plan which I chose. If you have received this code from an affiliate, they will also receive a reward, and that's me. By clicking next, you agree to open a RBC bank account within 60 days of the payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $300. So the payment happens through credit card, and once you have the incorporation, you would need a business account where all the transactions get recorded, and to have the incorporation document, you can just call up and set up this account. Once this is done, once I click next, it takes me to the credit card information section. This is where the payment will happen. You enter the credit card details, and then once you go ahead with the pay now, the final review happens where you check everything what has been entered. And once you confirm and submit the document with Ownr, Ownr takes on from there, get the process done for you, and they will inform when your incorporation is ready. This is the entire process. Also, check out my website, canadatriedandtested.com. The link will be there in the description, where in this organized link section, you have everything at one place. If you want to know how to get the business number, how to apply for license and permit, payroll nil report, some of the important documentation what is required with the business, all of that I have organized at one place, and you can check that out.